Guys, how are you? This is your teacher Chino. Welcome to your second lesson, lesson number 2. And in this lesson, guys, we're gonna talk about likes and dislikes when describing people. It is very, very important. Okay, so in order to do that, we're gonna learn also about relative pronouns. So we use relative pronouns to connect a clause or a phrase to a noun or pronoun. You see them used every day, with the most common relative pronouns being who, which, whom, and that. But in this lesson, we're gonna focus only with who and that. Okay, guys, so let's talk about people. So we're gonna say something positive and something negative. I like people who are nice. Okay, I like people who are nice. So you see, I like, this relative pronoun is connecting this to this. Obviously this is a very, very simple phrase, but anyway, or sentence, but it's very simple, but it's very effective too. Okay, so I like people who are nice. And question, what about you? Do you like people who are nice too? Do you like people who are nice too? Okay, so on and so forth. So very, very good. Now negative, I don't like people who are lazy. Okay, I don't like people, once again, who are lazy. And once again, this describes people. Who, immediately, who, people, right? I don't like people who are lazy. Now I have to mention something, is that quite often we use this who or that interchangeably. What do I mean by that? That, for example, instead of who, you can say that, which in Spanish it would be similar to no me gustan las personas, no me gustan las personas que son buena onda. Okay, me gustan las personas que son buena onda, o quien son buena onda. Okay, so I don't like people who or that are lazy. I actually hate them. I hate lazy people. So once again, let me re-emphasize it. I don't like people or individuals, people who are lazy. Once again, this who is describing people. Okay, guys, so on and so forth. Now talking about remember, for example, computers. Talking about computers, for example, let's say, or devices. I like cell phones that never freeze. I like cell phones that never freeze. So once again, we use it. That this is connecting directly to cell phones. So I like cell phones that never freeze. And once again, you guys, what about you? What about you? Do you like cell phones that freeze? So as you can see, guys, in this option with cell phones, the only option or the only relative pronouns that is possible is that, because you cannot say, do you like cell phones who freeze? Because cell phones is not a person. But when you're referring to a person, you can use either or, who or that. Okay, guys? So it is very, very important, okay? What about, for example, talking about coworkers? Could you describe your coworkers? Could you describe your coworkers and how do you like them? How do you like your coworkers to be? How do you like, or how do you want, if you want to say it too, how do you want your coworkers to be? I want coworkers. Let's say I want to be around coworkers that always make things happen. I like to be, or I want to be around coworkers that always, you see, once again, that always make things happen. Okay, very, very important, guys. So on and so forth. So this is your lesson. Don't forget to practice your quiz in the following page. Thank you so much once again for taking this course. And if you have any question or any questions, I'm available. Just let me know. Send me an email to laurentino.lo.prestigeenglish.org.mx. And don't forget, we have classes face-to-face here in Mexico City, in Mexico State, and in Cancun. So if you ever visit Cancun and you're taking classes with us, you can take your classes over there so you don't miss any lessons. Okay, so thank you once again, and see ya. Bye bye.